When trying to refresh the accessory drive belt system with a new belt, tensioner, and idler pulleys, the last thing you want to do is to reuse worn or damaged parts. Litens understands your plight and makes the extra effort to include all the hardware with a tensioner or idler pulley to complete the job. Here are two examples that can make your life easier. Here we have an idler pulley with a shield between the pulley and bracket. The shield protects the bearings from heat, oil, and debris. The high underhood temperatures and corrosion constantly damage the original shield. Typically, the heat shield attaches itself to the old pulley. The tiny shield may appear inconsequential, but it protects the bearings. Without it, oil, moisture, and debris can come in contact with the bearings and seals. Litens includes this shield with the replacement idler pulley when many suppliers do not include this critical shield. Here we have this pulley assembly. In the service information, they tell you to replace the entire assembly. The problem is, to replace the entire assembly, it takes about an hour and a half. We all know that the aluminum casing does not malfunction. It is the bearing and seals inside the pulley that go bad. The Litens solution is to replace just the pulleys. Inside this kit are the pulleys and the mounting hardware, so you don't have to take the time to remove the aluminum casting from the front cover of the engine. For the technician, well, the job can be completed in less time. For part stores, the pulley kit takes up less space on the shelf. While these two examples are for specific applications, Litens takes the extra effort to include the hardware necessary to complete the job with all of its products. It might be as simple as a new pivot bolt, to new innovations like the Tech Assist pin, or even including the tool required to remove an overrunning alternator decoupler pulley. What you get in the box may surprise you.